Hello everyone, my name is Vicky. Today I will be presenting my work on BANCO-FL, a federated learning framework for drone anomaly detection under non-IID settings. Imagine a fleet of drones patrolling a city, delivering medicine, monitoring crops, or guarding our borders. Now imagine one drone gets hacked. It sends fake signal like everything is fine while secretly hiding a threat. So one weak link can compromise the entire mission. Therefore, how do we detect this attack before it's too late? As you can see in figure 1, traditionally we train machine learning model by collecting all the drone data in one central place. But here's the catch. Sending sensitive drone data to a server creates privacy risks, slow the system, and fail when drones have very different kind of data. The result, high false alarm and weak detection. That's the problem we set out to solve. We developed a new framework called BANCO-FL, stand for Balanced Non-IID Client Optimized Federated Learning. In simple words, it shows drones to learn together without ever sharing their raw data. Figure 4 show the workflow of BANCO-FL. We start with a large dataset, carefully clean, normalized, encoded, and balanced. Then it's distributed across the drones. Each drone trained locally on its own data. Instead of sending raw data to the server, the drone only shares its learning progress. The server combines updates from all drones to build own strong global model. Think of it like a team project. Everyone studied separately but contribute to the final report. And the result, looking at the final figures, our framework achieved over 99% accuracy in detecting attacks, all while keeping data private. Two algorithms, FedAlarm and FedMedian, consistently gave the best performance, providing that federated learning is not just possible but powerful in this non-IID real-world drone setting. Why does it matter? Because drones are no longer just gadgets. They are critical to agriculture, defense, logistics, and surveillance. By using BANCO-FL, we make drones not only smart but also secure and trustworthy. So, next time you see a drone overhead, whether it's delivering life-saving medicine or monitoring a disaster zone, you can trust that it's learning safely, detecting threats accurately, and protecting our future. Thank you.